Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. You're gonna go outside? It's gonna be pretty cold. Got Raven a new winter coat. Isn't it so cute? It's super warm too, and it's like waterproof, and it's fleece inside of this. The only thing she's not crazy about it is you have to pick up her arms to put into the loops, and her back legs, sometimes she has issues with those, so sometimes she'll collapse them. But I'm gonna try to look for someone that can maybe sew them. Sew some like Velcro tabs so I can just flap it over her and just Velcro around the arms and then around her belly. But other than that, keeps her pretty warm. Oh, Raven, you're so cute. Alrighty, let's go outside. So it's a new day. Welcome back to my channel. Today, it's the weekend. Well, it's the end of the weekend. So we had breakfast and then we watched last night's Saturday Night Live. Usually we'll watch it if we don't stay up Saturday night because it comes on late. So we watch it usually on Sunday mornings while we have our coffee and stuff. So we did that, snuggled with Raven and everything. And today I'm going to work on getting last vlogs edited that you've already seen by now. I'm gonna write some stuff down that I want to get done today. Yesterday we went to the mall, kind of walk around, getting those steps in. Ended up buying a few pieces, like a few sweaters that I found on sale. So that was good. So behind on my food and water journal. Gonna catch up on that. It's like laundry, trying to separate some laundry, tidy up a little bit. I might go through some Halloween mail also because I do have a pile that I need to get through that some of you guys sent before Halloween. So I do want to catch up on that. That way you don't just think I'm an ungrateful asshole that you took the time to send me something. So I think we'll include some mail in this video as well. I think I'm gonna make some coffee. I'm gonna get a snack and then we're just gonna mosey around here and get some stuff done. I'm also currently listening to if you guys like jazz music and cafe music, I highly recommend searching on YouTube. There's a lot of cafe music that you can find that stream it live, or you can just rewatch it. But right now I'm listening to, what is this one? I believe it's just a Christmas music. Best Christmas jazz cafe music. And then it has like a little Christmas background, as you can see. We're getting festive over here. We are. A little bit later in the evening. I think it's like almost 5. Yeah, it's 4:50. I just finished editing that vlog. It took me a little bit longer than I thought. I was just having issues trying to connect it all because I was vlogging like at very random times during 2 different days. So I need to get better about that. I try to cut it down, and I try to cut down all my asthma breathing and all the ums and the, you know, everything you don't want to hear. So while I was doing that, I was multitasking. Let me save this real quick so we can start uploading this to my channel. We're gonna do the Vlogmas. I'm calling it Vlogmas because I want to participate in Vlogmas even though I'm not going to be doing it every day. I mean, it's December, we're vlogging, Christmas is this month, so why not? While I was giving the last run through for that, I went ahead and started laying out this week for all of my water, all of my meals, and my self-care stuff. I think I'm gonna just color it and doodle and like add some stickers just to make it a little more happier and not so bland. Okay, so edit new vlog. I can mark that up. I need to pick up my bathroom before tomorrow morning. I want to do this before bed. I also need to fold the laundry. I talked about setting my next week up in my journal, so I went ahead and did that. I do want to paint my nails. Usually I try to paint my nails every Sunday night. I just really like it because it gives me a moment to focus on myself and just kind of unwind. Don't like when my nail polish is chipped. I thought about doing the gel polish again. I just can't decide. I thought about doing acrylic overlay, but I just don't know what. If I do acrylic, I want to decide what shape of my nail I would like. Just can't make a decision, so I end up painting them myself. It'd be nice if I could take a bubble bath because I just got new bubble bath. I don't have a set way of using my planner just yet. I'm not really gonna try to do like a good system until I'm working on the planner for next year. I end up scribbling things down and then it just gets lost. But I'm going to go ahead and add some post-it notes. Just whatever I want to do this coming up week, like Monday through next Sunday. Just add it on the post-it note and then put it on the next page. That way I can kind of remember that because I forget so much stuff now. I don't know if you guys are the same way, but my brain has been a jumbled mess. It's very hard for me to retain information. Very hard for me to just remember anything. It's hard for me to get my thoughts out. It's hard for me to talk. Just my brain is a load of mashed potatoes. So I was hoping that this would help. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I do need to call. I need to find a doctor to get Raven's appointment. Her meds refilled. Anything else I need to do this week? Is there anything else that I can't do tonight that my life will be okay tomorrow if I don't get it done tonight? Sticker paper I can order another time because I need to look for something else. I think that's it for now. I don't think I showed you guys my little doodle layout for December. This is in my Halloween Happy Planner. I thought it was fun and cute. We have my birthday coming up this week, and then really excited for this day. On here, I added some things that I wanted to do that I was looking forward to, really. Christmas music, baking, and then Christmas movies to do. Definitely drink water, be active, working on those. Those are good. Read new books. I got 2 new books. I need to show you guys those. I started reading one, going back to like my mental health. It's been hard to retain that book I'm reading, so I took a break. Bring in a little cheer before the new year. Okay, the next I'm going to water my plants so I can get that checked off my list. Let me know if you guys are list people. I feel like most of you are. If you are a plant mom or dad, do you know what this plant is? I need to Google this one. I found this at Ravenstone a few weeks ago. It was beautiful, but then it didn't have the plant tag, so I wasn't really sure how to take care of it, and I just haven't made it a priority to Google this little guy. But it looks like we're trying to thrive down here with some new leaves. So we're gonna water him. This little succulent is looking okay. We have a little baby one coming up over here. I feel like it's just too cold in my room for them. My friend Michelle was telling me about Googling some plant lights, which I need to do. Surely they have some, you know, normal looking lights for plants. This one I've been loving so much. This one's been doing good. These are new over here. Does anyone else pet their plants and talk to them and greet them in the morning? I know if I was a plant, that's how I would want to be treated. And then we also have, these guys are still doing good. I definitely need to replant these. I also need to Google about how to do the whole cutting a leaf off, putting it in a cylinder of water, and having it continue to grow. I'm really shocked though because I have them in these small ass pots and they're still thriving. Like when your destiny is meant to thrive, you're gonna thrive. Your destiny's gonna come true no matter if you feel like this little plant stuck in this little guy. He's looking fantastic. I'm so happy. Time for dinner in Shark Tank. Who's ready for the sharks? Are you ready?
Oh.
Is Raven ready? What's your pitch, Joe?
Hi, Sharks. Tonight, I am pitching.
Okay, nope, don't want to get copyrighted. Raven, you dropped a turd on the couch. Alright guys, so we're gonna fold this laundry and be productive. So we ate dinner and I folded some laundry. I still have a bunch more like in the bedroom that I need to organize and fold and go through, but I just did the newly washed. Tried watching one episode of the new Saved by the Bell. It's pretty cheesy, but what do you expect? Before I close out of this vlog, I thought I would go ahead and show you guys, do a little mini haul of my H&M stuff that I recently picked up. Right now it works for my budget and whatnot. Got a few sweaters. This is a size medium. It's kind of slouchy on, but I like to have like my sweaters slouchy. Sometimes I forget to go up with them like in the size because I like to tuck them like in the front of my jeans. You can even do a collar out of this. Found this black sweater. Just have a black sweater, a fuzzy sweater. I feel like you can never have too many black sweaters. Is that just me? I'm so tired, you guys. I wanted to do like my candle haul. I wanted to paint my nails. I was gonna take a bath. I was gonna open some mail. Right now it's 9:17, but I wanna like get into bed and just kind of unwind. That seems to help kind of shut my mind off, and then it makes me sleepy instead of just like working late into the night thinking I'll fall asleep like that, and then I end up staying up until 1, and that's just not healthy for anyone. Have another sweater. This one's a bit more heavy. I liked this one. They also had another one that was in reverse color that was black and white stripes, and I was asking Joe, I was like, well, which one do you like better? And we both agreed on this one, just to kind of break it up from the black. I have so much black, you know. Found this long sleeve, kind of like a tweed fleece. It's not either one of those, but that's just what it reminds me of. The light lilac, which was really pretty, but I wouldn't really have too much to wear with that. And they also had it in a tan, which is really pretty. And it's long, so I thought this would be really cute with like black jeans, cute booties, you know. Speaking of booties, guys, it's like my favorite thing to wear besides my Doc Marten boots. These little booties here, I hope you can see them. They're super comfortable as well. I got these in a size 7. Just like with booties, they have to go up a little bit higher than normal. I don't like when they're too short, if that makes sense. Usually I get my jeans at Old Navy just because that's like the last place that I found a really good pair of jeans that fit me well, that fit my body type, I guess. Are they the best ones probably for my body? No. They do their job. So dressing rooms being closed, it's so hard to shop for jeans right now. Desperate need of a new pair of black jeans. I wear them so often. Stretch jeans. And they were on sale for $20. Yeah, they're probably not the best quality. These are size 16. Their sizes are pretty I don't know, I feel like their pants run small, but then their tops run large. Found these. I had never tried H&M jeans before. I did get these in 2 different sizes. Said this one was in 16. Bagginess to it, like in front of the crotch. And then these I got the next size down. These are 14. These are pretty tight. They're high waist. That's why they fit a little weird too. I'm not sure if I'm gonna return those or not. Whenever I see this color of jean, I always get it, or I'll try it on and then it just doesn't look great on my legs. Try them on with like some boots and some of my tops that I normally wear just to kind of see if they're a jean that I can add to my wardrobe to keep. Show you guys these real quick. So I had to go to Target to get some new hangers. I do hang the jeans that I wear most, but I found these, but I like it because once you put the jeans on there, they're not gonna slack and give in like how the plastic ones do. So I got a few of these. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed it, if you did, please help me out by giving this video a thumbs up. It would mean so much to me and help out my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that notifications bell. That way you are notified whenever there is a new video. Raven's sleeping. I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, and go off to La La Land because I'm so sleepy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!